So you just yell like that and just be like, "Hi, my name is Savannah. What's up?"
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Hey, Sand fans and Dunatics, Sand Phil here with
Blade Hunter
and Savannah.
Woohoo! Today we are back on working on the BladeHunter's YJ. He has a busted seat. We're gonna see if we can't fix it. I'm sure we can get something done. I don't know that we're gonna fix it, but there will be sparks and fire.
Hells yeah.
Let's go! Woo! Tell us, Blade Hunter, what is the problem with your Jeep seat?
There was a little bracket right here to make it to where it didn't do that.
You don't like it to do that?
Why
No,
not?
it's kind of uncomfortable for people in the back seat.
Do you ever sit in the back seat?
No, but
What's the
Then
problem?
what's the problem? Well, what do you think, Blade Hunter? Is that a success?
yeah,
Will your friends be happy?
yeah,
Oh.
because I have the coolest car,
Well,
vehicle.
I know, but was it a good thing we fixed your seats? Because now they'll want to, like, ride with you.
Yeah, but now I don't have to worry about them dying.
Oh, well, there's that. I don't know about y'all, but it's hot.
Yeah,
And there's a swimming pool out there.
yeah.
Yeah. And if I accidentally fell in it, that'd be awesome. So, this is going to be Sand Phil.
Blade Hunter.
Be safe on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?